Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for shesaved.com, and I'm just getting ready to dig into this Steal It box from Decor Steals. This is the first time I've ordered one of these boxes, and I'm kind of excited to check it out. I'm a big Decor Steals fan, so I thought I would try their summer Steal It box to share with you and show you what's inside. So let's take a look. Cute. Okay, and their stuff has a really farmhouse feel to it, but really unique stuff that is really competitively priced, very on trend always. So I thought I would try this box just to see. It had a pretty big savings value. And I can't even remember what's in it now.
Cute.
Oh, I think they're bookends too. Okay, there's those. What else do you want to look at here? The way they package this is really nice too. They do a lot of empties, which I like because we can recycle the cardboard, but they kind of do that to keep everything in place.
I think it's a plant.
It's a plant.
I can't get this open.
Pippi's excited. Pippi wants to know what's in there. What's in the box? I want you to hurry up.
Oh, I'm trying. Okay. I think I got it. Oh, so cute.
That is adorable.
But there's like a little pot.
Cute. Okay. Oh, that, let's see. I'm trying to pick that up. Let's set it by you, Pet. Cute. Is this a tablecloth?
I think it is. It's so cute. It's like the black and white.
Table runner. Oh, cute. Yeah, that is cute. Okay.
Oh, home sweet home. That's so cute.
That is cute. All right. There's a lot of stuff in this box. A lot of stuff in this box, Pet. Oh, that's neat.
Oh, cool.
That's cute. There's two of them.
Oh, those are so cute.
Cute, like on the as a table centerpiece, or so there's two of them. One's still in plastic.
Oh, look at it.
Isn't that cute? I'm going to take that one out of the plastic and you can set it on there and show how that would go. That cute?
So cute.
Okay, what else we got in here?
Got one more thing. I like little cakes in there.
I know. I don't know how they did that. Okay, so this last big box. This was actually the item that made me order this because I love this mirror so much.
So cute.
I know.
I love mirrors that have like.
I know. And they also have this same mirror in a bigger one, and I'm waiting for that to come back on sale. Do you want to take that off and kind of like hold it up that way so we can see it? Okay, so let's do a recap of everything that was in here. Okay, so kind of a quick summary of everything that was in this box. We have the Home Sweet Home wall hanging, which is really cute. We have this darling plants, the wooden vase, the two stacking platforms, the little pot bookends, table runner, and then this mirror. And this entire box, I believe, was $99. So that is kind of a steal if you like this kind of decor and are looking to add to your home. I'll include links below on not only these Steal It boxes, but also where you can just get some really cool home decor from Decor Steals. They really are one of my favorites. All kinds of fun things. This is Carrie Lynn for shesaved.com.